Good morning, guys. Are getting my screen and voice? Please confirm. Right. So in last session, we discussed user accounts
Recording
in the
in
Linux
progress.
mission, user accounts in Linux mission, and chown command. By using chown command, how to change the ownership of the files. So we discussed user accounts, how to create the users in the Linux machine, and how to change the ownership of the files we have seen in the last session. So as part of today's session, we are going to understand locate and find commands. Locate command and find commands. So what is the purpose of this locate and find commands? What we can do by using locate and find commands, guys? By using this locate and find commands, right, we can search for the files in a Linux machine, guys. By using this locate command and find command, we can search for the files in the Linux machine. See, I want search for file which contains the word, suppose DevOps, guys. I want search for the file which contains the word DevOps. So for that, we can use this locate and find command, guys. So if the purpose is same, why we have two different names, we will discuss that later. Here for the purpose of locate command and find command in same case, to search for the files only, we will use these two. And then what is the difference between these two, we will discuss. See, first let me show how to work with locate command, then I will come to search command, guys. See, what is the purpose of locate and find command, guys? By using locate and find command, we can search for the file in the Linux machine. See, example, see here I have given like this. Let me correct with my Linux machine. So here we have connected to the Linux machine, guys. See here, let me check what files are available in my system. Here, let me create few files, guys. Here I am going to create touch command, f1.txt, f2.txt, f3.txt. Right, like this I have created few files. And here I am going to create directory also, mkdir. Right, DevOps directory I have created it here. Okay, so now let me go inside the directory cd DevOps, and here I am creating a file f4.txt, touch f4.txt I am creating. Inside this f4.txt, I'm writing a word called Apache Tomcat. I'm writing Apache Tomcat. I'm writing it here. Control C. Right, and I'm going out from the DevOps folder. Now here, we have F1, F2, F3. In F2 also, I'm writing a word f2.txt. In F2 also, I'm writing a word Apache I'm writing it here. Right, so now see, guys, here I have written the word Apache in two files, guys. Now by using locate command, I want to search for the file which contains the word Apache. I want to search for the file which contains the word Apache, guys. So how you can search? Simple, guys. Right, by using locate command, I want to search for the file which contains the word Apache, guys. What we need to do, guys? Simple. See here, just type like this, guys. Give the command like this. Locate. So for what you are searching? Apache, guys. Enter. 1 minute, guys. Here we are in ls hyphen l. Okay, here we are at here. Git hyphen see guys, here what we are giving, locate Apache, we are giving it here. Locate Apache we are giving it here guys. That here if you search for this, see Apache what is available in these many number of files guys. Apache is available in these many number of files, that's why it is displaying all these files like this guys. Right, now let me go to some other file guys. Cat f1.txt, cat f1.txt. Right, here I'm going to write DevOps AWS, DevOps AWS, DevOps with AWS, right, Azure DevOps, right, like this. I have written some data. Save it guys. I have saved it here guys. Now I'm going to search for the word locate DevOps. Locate DevOps guys. Array, what happened? Why this locate command is not working? Guys, 1 minute. DevOps word is not there. ls hyphen l cat f1.txt. Here we have DevOps, right? DevOps. Here we have DevOps. Then why it is telling 0 count? No. If you give the file name directly, then what is the use of this locate command? Just we need to give the word where that word is available. All the files it should print, right? So if you give locate DevOps that file name also, then what is the need of this locate command? Directly we can go to the file, right? I don't know in which file this DevOps is available. I want to find out the files where this DevOps is available, right? One minute, guys. Let me check it in. Okay, 1 minute guys. First let me check locate is available or not. Give me 1 minute guys. Sudo yum update no, it will print both. Even if locate command is not available, also when we tried at that time, it should print a command locate is not found, right? It is not showing like that. Yum locate sudo yum install yum locate. Nothing to do. Already installed under latest version. Already available. Locate also available already. No pattern to search. It is working. So it is telling DevOps with AWS. Word count total 60 words are available with this DevOps with AWS name. -C stands for count. It is giving that count. And now here I am going to search locate star.txt. How many text files are available in the present working directory I want to search. It is not giving anything. We have few text files, right? It is not giving. Locate Azure DevOps. Here we have 3 files are available with this name. So now you can check count C. -C. We have 3 files are available at here. So now here you can locate command. We need to install like this. Sudo yum install yum locate. This is the command we need to use to install locate. Already it is there in my system. It is there already. It is telling already installed. Latest version only already it is installed. It is telling. See mlocate 0.28-8 is available. Let me check find command. Find slash home directory hyphen name. Here I'm going to use f1.txt. It is giving. Find command is working fine. Right now find hyphen home hyphen type f right hyphen empty. What we have f3 is there. Okay, empty files it is printing. I want to find the directories. Find slash home at hyphen type d at hyphen empty. Here directories, empty directories it is giving. Let me create one empty directory mkdir sample. So now run this command. This sample also should come. Let's say the sample empty directory also coming. So find command is working fine, but why locate is not working? I need to check it, guys. Locate AWS. Locate DevOps. DevOps. Locate 1 minute. Locate DevOps f1.txt. It's not printing anything. Okay, fine. I will check it, guys. Why this locate command is not working properly? I will verify it. And so meanwhile, let me talk about the find command, guys. How the find command will work. This locate command I will check and I will update you, guys. Find command, guys. So what is the difference between this locate command and find command, guys? Guys, in Linux, all the files and directories will be stored in local DB, guys. See, whenever you install the Linux, right, local database also available. All the files and directories will be stored in the local database. So that local database name is called as locatedb. In Linux, all the files and directories will be stored in local DB. That local database name is called as locatedb. When we execute the command, locate command, when we execute locate command, it will search in that locatedb only. Is it clear, guys? Linux, what is happening? All the files and directories will be stored in the local database. That local database name is called as locatedb. And when we execute this locate command, right, it will search in the locate database only. Okay, so what is the find command, guys? Find command will search for the files and directories in actual Linux file system, guys. It won't search in the locatedb, guys. Find command will not search in the locatedb. Locate command only will search in the locatedb. Then where find command will search? Find command will search in the in our actual Linux file system only. In our system, Linux file system only it will search. It won't go to the database. That is the difference between locate and find command. Locate command will search in the database. Find command will not search in the database. It will search in the local file system only. That is the difference, guys. Okay, so next, guys, find command providing advanced searching techniques also, guys, than locate command. When you compare with locate command, find command will provide more advanced searching techniques also. See here, I want to find files under particular directory. So I have the home directory. In the home directory, whatever the files are available, I want to search for the file f1.txt, f2.txt in the home directory, guys. For that, what we need to do? I want search for a file in particular directory, guys. Right here, how to search for that, guys? See here, find command. Right, in which directory you want to search? In home directory, I want to search. Right, in home directory, I want to search, guys. Right, what you want to search? Name. Name means file name. Here, f1.txt. f1.txt. See, guys, it is giving complete path. Right, if that file is not available, here I am giving f10.txt. See, guys, it is not printing anything. If it is available, then it will give the complete path of the file. In the home ec2-user f1.txt file is available. Right. See here, if you want search for the file in the particular directory, then you can use this find command like this. Okay. So now in my system, multiple empty files are there. Right. I want to print all the empty files, guys. So for that, what we need to do? See here first, ls-l. Right here, where empty files are there, guys. Here we have right f3 dot right here. See, guys, in f1 cat f1.txt. Is there any data? Yes, in f1 some data is there. Cat f2.txt. f2.txt. In f2 also some data is available. At cat f3. Cat f3. And here we don't have f3. Here we don't have any data, guys. Okay, so now in f3 we don't have any data, and txt also we don't have any data, guys. Now let me check here. I want to print all the files, all the empty files, guys. All the empty files I want to print. So what you need to do? Find command. And in the home directory, right, I want to print. Right here we need to take type, guys. Type. And here we are taking this, guys. See, F stands for file. F stands for file, guys. If you want to print the directory, D you need to take. Here I want to print file, guys. Normal text file I want to print. For that, here I am taking F. Here -empty. -empty, guys. See, it find in the home directory. And here type is file. Empty. Right. This is what we need to give. Enter. See, guys, what it is printing. Right. Already we have some inbuilt files, guys. Right. These are empty files only. Our files, guys. F3 dot is the empty file. TXT also empty file at here. So now I want to print the empty directories, guys. If you want to print the empty directories, simple. Here instead of F, you need to take D. D stands for directory file. Directory files, guys. Enter. See, guys. Here our file, right, our directory is sample, it is empty, guys, and some of the inbuilt empty directories also available. So like this, right, by using find command we can search in particular directory also, guys. Okay, compare with locate, find command will provide, right, more searching techniques, guys. Locate command will search in, right, so locate db. Find command will search in local file system. Find command will not search in the database, guys. That is the difference between locate and find command. Okay, I will search, guys. That locate command, why not working properly, I will search. Meanwhile, let me write the steps here, guys. Locate and find commands. Locate and find command. Locate command or locate and find command. Locate and find command. Locate and find command. Locate and find command. Locate and find commands are used to search for the files in line exhibition. Guys, locate and find commands are used to search for the files in line exhibition. Okay, so I want to search for file. I want to search for file. I want to search for file which contains the word DevOps. DevOps I'm taking like this. For this, simply you need to write like this, guys. Locate DevOps. Locate DevOps you need to write, guys. Right. So now I want to print the count, guys. Right, how many number of times this DevOps word is available? How many? Search file, right here, search file and display in how many number of files this DevOps word is available. I want to search and print, guys. Search file and display count, right? So which contains DevOps, guys. I want to search in how many files this DevOps word is available, and that count I want to print. So for this, see guys, locate -c stands for count DevOps. -c stands for count and DevOps, guys. So now I want to print all the text files, guys. Here we have normal text files and directory files, but I want to print the files, right, with the .txt extension. And how many now, right? The .txt extension files only I want to print. So for that, it print all .txt files. For this, a dollar locate, right? Name can be anything, star .txt. It will print all the .txt files, guys. And I want to print the count of .txt files, guys. Print the count of .txt files. Guys. For this, dollar. So locate -c stands for count, and here star .txt. Guys. See, like this, we will use the locate command, guys. And by using first command, what we are doing, locate DevOps. Right? It will search for this command, will search for the word DevOps in which files it contains. In which file this word is available, it will find those files and it will print all the files, guys. It will print all the file names. In which file this DevOps word is available, it will search and it will print all the file names. Now here, search file and display count, guys. See in how many files that this DevOps word is available, it will search and it will print the count. -c stands for count, guys. Next, print all .txt files, guys. And in the present working directory, how many number of .txt files are there? It will search and it will print those file names, guys. If you want to print the count, it will print all the, right? So it will count and it will print the count of all .txt files, guys. So these are the commands, right? We will have, guys. Next, guys, see here we have the find command also. Let me add this point. In Linux, right, all the files and directories, will be stored in local DB. That is, what is that local DB? Locate DB. In Linux, all the files and directories will be stored in local DB. That is locate DB. Right? When we execute, right, locate command. When we execute locate command, it will search in locate DB only. Guys. Okay. Next, guys, we have the find command, guys. Find command will search. For the files and directories. Will search for the files and directories in actual file system. Actual Linux file system. It won't search in the DB, it will search in the actual Linux file system. Right? Find command providing find command providing advanced searching techniques also. Advanced searching, advanced searching techniques, guys. It what, guys? See, guys, I want to find, right, find it files, guys, files under home directory, right? Find files under home directory. For this, what command you need to write? See, guys, find command, right? Home directory, and here I want to search for the file name f1.txt, f1.txt. It will print the complete path of that file. Right? Find empty files. I want to find the empty files. Find empty files. Find empty files. Now here find at /home, and here hyphen name. What we need to do? Need to print empty files, right? /home hyphen type, guys. Here /home hyphen type. Here type means f, guys. And here hyphen empty, guys. So I want to print like this, guys. Okay. So next, guys, I want to print empty directories. Right, find empty directories. Find empty directories. What we need to do, guys? Find /home hyphen type. Here directory files means D we need to take hyphen empty. So like this, you can find the empty files and you can find the empty directories also. Okay, fine, guys. I want to get the documentation of any command, guys. Right? See here, locate command is not working properly. Locate command is not working properly. Then I want to see the document of the locate command. Locate command, guys. Right? So find command is, I don't know what is this find command and how it will work and what options I can apply for the find command. Then I want to see the document of the find command. Right? I don't know what is cat command, how to use that cat command and what options I can apply for the cat command. Then I want to see the document of the cat command, guys. To see the documentation of any command. So for that we need to use man command. By using man locate. See, guys, it will give the document of the locate command. Here you can see, guys. Here you can see all the options which you can apply for the locate command. Everything you can see it here. Everything is available at here, guys. Okay, so now man command here find, guys. Man find command. It will give the documentation of the find command. Next, guys, man touch command. It will give the documentation of the touch command. If you want document of any command in the Linux, by using man command we can get the documentation, guys. By using man command we can get the documentation of that particular command, guys. Is it clear, guys? Guys, I will search for the, I will check why locate is not working properly. But the main purpose of locate and find command is this one. Is it clear? Is this clear, guys? So the next one, guys, we will use a few commands regularly, guys. And we have few commands which we will use regularly, guys. See, guys, what these commands will see. What these commands, guys. Let me add to get documentation of any command. To get documentation of any command, we can use man. We can use man command like this, guys. like this. See here, man locate. See here, man find. See here, man grep, like this we can use this man grep. Like this you can use man command to get the documentation of any command, guys. Okay, so after that, guys, after this, observe carefully. Guys, tell me, I want to get the IP address of the system, IP address of the line exhibition. I want to get the IP address of the line exhibition, guys. What I need to do, guys? If I want to get the Linux, right, IP address of the line exhibition, see here I am using some system, guys. Here I am using some mission, and I want to get the IP address, guys. Then what we need to do? Host name, and here if I give host name, you will get the IP address. Host name, if you give, can you get the IP address? See, guys, here you are getting the IP, right? Host name, system name you are getting. I want to get the IP address, guys. We have 172.31, right? So that only IP address I want to print. How you can get? Only ifconfig. Very good. We need to use ifconfig. And by using ifconfig, we can get the IP address of the system. Here, this 172.31 for 155. This is the IP address of the system, guys. This is the IP address of the system. To get the IP address of the system, we need to use ifconfig command. ifconfig command we need to use to get the IP address of the system, guys. Okay. So next, if you want to download anything from the internet, if you want to download anything from the internet to in your local system, I want to download from internet to in my Linux system, guys. How you can download, guys? Which command you need to use? Which command you need to use? I want to download something from the internet to my Linux machine, guys. What command we need to use, guys? wget command we need to use. Wget. By using wget command, we can download something from the internet to your Linux machine. So now, see, guys. Now here, let me check this. What we will download? 1 minute, guys. Go to here. And here check for download sonar 7.8. Download sonar cube 7.8. Right now go to this official website. Okay, fine. So let me check this. Let me do or else let me download Tomcat, guys. Let me download Tomcat. Download Tomcat 10. Download Tomcat 10. See, guys, so to download the Tomcat 10, so go to here. See, guys, we have this. Now, where you want to download, guys? I want to download in the Linux machine. If you want to download in the Linux machine, we need to take the tar file. If you want to download in the Windows machine, then we need to take the zip file. I want to download in Linux machine, so I am taking tar file, guys. Copy link address. Right? See, in the Windows machine, if you click on this, it will be downloaded into your system, guys. But coming to Linux machine, we don't have this browser option, right? Then how you can download in the Linux machine? Just right click on this, copy the link address, go to here, and here we have one command, that is wget command. Wget command, here paste this one. Paste this one, guys. That URL you need to paste. Now it will download the Tomcat 10 from this URL, guys. Enter. See, guys, it is downloaded. It is downloaded. Right, the tar file is downloaded, guys. Apache Tomcat 10.1.13 tar file is downloaded. Now you can check ls-l. See here, Apache-. See guys, Apache Tomcat 10.1.3 tar file is downloaded at here. Earlier Tomcat 9 is available. Now I have downloaded Tomcat 10, guys. If you want to download anything from the internet, then we need to use wget command. Wget command we need to use here. Okay, ifconfig we will use to get the IP address of the system. Wget we will use to download something from the internet. We will use this wget command, guys. Next, guys, we have, right, I want to check. See guys, I want to send the request to URL, guys. From my Linux machine, I want to send one request to any URL, guys. Here we have the google.com URL. Google.com is there, guys. I want to send a request from my Linux machine to that google.com URL. How you will send, guys? Which command we need to use? I want to send a request to particular URL. How you will send? For that, we need to use curl command. By using curl command, we can send a request to URL. How you will send? See guys, here, curl command at https www.google.com. I want to send the request to this google.com URL. For that, I am using curl command like this, case. Enter. See guys, so this is the response which we are getting from the Google, guys. This is the response which we are getting from the Google. Right, we have sent a request to google.com URL. It provided that google.com provided this response, guys. Okay, so like this we can send the request by using curl command, guys. Next, guys, I want to check the network connectivity, guys. I want to check the network connectivity. Right, so right, I'm trying to connect something, guys, but right, for that we need internet connection, guys. I want to check the network connectivity. To check the network connectivity, you need to use ping command, guys. Curl command, ping command, right? Observe the difference. Curl command we will use to send the request to particular URL. Ping command we will use to check the network connectivity. See guys, here I am using ping command www.google.com, guys. Ping command I am using. See it is providing response means right, network connection is working, network connection is there, that's why you are getting this response, guys. Ping command we will use to check the network connectivity, right? Curl command we will use to send the request to particular URL, right? Here wget command we will use to download something from the internet. ifconfig we will use to know the IP address of your Linux machine. So these are the commands, guys. We have, right, these are the commands. Now let me add these things in our notes. See guys, here $ifconfig is there. What is the purpose of this? It is used to print. It is used to print IP address of our machine. It is used to print IP address of our machine. Next we have wget. Wget is there. Right, so wget yes. Copy the link address, wget, paste it here. Okay, so like this we will do, guys. Here what it is doing with this wget, this one right here, right? So what is the purpose of this? It will download Tomcat into Linux mission. It will download Tomcat into Linux mission. Next guys, we have curl command. Curl command guys, it is used to send. It is used to send request to URL. It is used to send request to URL. See how you will use this guys. Curl command https. See guys, www.google.com. For this we are sending the request by using curl command guys. Next we have ping command. Ping command is available. And what is the purpose of this ping command guys? Ping command we will use to check the network connectivity guys. Ping command we will use to check the network connectivity. It is used to check network connectivity. It will use it to check network connectivity. What we need to do here? It ping www.google.com. Like this we need to use this. See guys, ifconfig, right, wget, curl command and ping command guys. These are the commands we have guys. These are the commands we have at here. Okay, fine guys. Next guys, I want to deploy a static website in the Linux mission guys. I want to deploy a simple static website in the Linux mission. How we can deploy that guys? How we can deploy a static website in the Linux mission? How to deploy static website in the Linux mission. How to deploy static website in the Linux mission guys. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to deploy simple static website in the Linux mission guys. Observe carefully guys. Here what we need to do, guys, to deploy the static website in the Linux mission. See here, to run any web application, we need web server guys. What is web application guys? What is web application? The application which we can access through internet is called as web application. The application which we can access through internet is called as web application. Now, if you want to run the web application, we should have web server guys. Web server. What is web server? See guys, web server means the server which we will use to run web application guys. The server which we will use to run web application. See guys, what is web application? The application which we can access through internet. The application which we can access through browser, that is called as web application. What is web server? The server which we will use to run the web application. The server which we will use to run the web application, that is called as web server. Web server guys. Now here, first we need to install some web server guys. First we need to install some web server guys. How you will install guys? To run any web application, we need web server. To run any web application, we need web server. So first what I need to do, I need to install the web server. Which web server you are going to install? HTTPD. HTTPD is a web server. I am going to install this. HTTPD we can use as web server. HTTPD we can use as web server guys. And for this what we need to do guys, here $sudo. See guys, I want install guys. Let me install it guys. Let me go to here Okay, it got stuck, guys. Wait. Meanwhile, let me write the command. If you want to install the web server, alright, first, if you want install any package, if you want install any software in the Linux virtual machine, first take the update of the package manager. First take the update of the package manager. Here, which Linux machine we are using? Amazon Linux 2. Here AMI we have chosen Amazon Linux 2. For Amazon Linux 2, which package manager we need to use? M package manager we need to use. If you are using Amazon Linux 2 Linux machine, then we need to use M package manager. So this package manager only manage all the packages, guys. Here, suppose in the Windows, if you want download Java, directly we are going download Java in Windows machine. It will show some .exe file, right? We are going to click on that. It will be download into your system and you will be installed, guys. But coming to Linux, we don't have that facility, right? We don't have that. So then what you need to do? Everything will be taken care by package manager only. You no need to download from anywhere. You no need to download from anywhere. Right? Everything will be taken care by package manager only. Package manager is a repository, guys. Package manager is a repository. It contains almost all the packages, guys. But before going to install any package, just we need to update that package manager, guys. Why we need to update? To get the latest changes. To get the latest changes in the package manager, we need to update the package manager before going to install any package in the Linux machine. Okay, currently which Linux machine we are using? We are using Amazon Linux. For Amazon Linux, which package manager we need to use? We need to use M package manager. Suppose your Linux machine is Ubuntu. Then which package manager you will use? Right, we will use apt package manager we will use for the Ubuntu. After that I will discuss package managers, guys. Now here I am going to take the update of the package manager. See, guys, I want to update M package manager. Sudo m update. To get the latest things, we are updating this M package manager. Right, so no packages, right? Everything is up to date only. It is telling. Fine. So now here I want to install one package, guys. I want to install one server, guys. Right, that is called HTTPD. Sudo m install MC, guys. Sudo, right, we will use sudo to get the temporary permissions. M is a package manager which we will use for the Amazon Linux machine. Here by using install command, we are going to install the package, guys. Which package? I am going to install HTTPD package. I am going to install HTTPD package, guys. Enter. Yes. Okay, HTTPD package is installed, guys. Now I want to start the HTTPD server, guys. Here we have one module that is called service module. Right? If you want start any server, if you want stop any server, if you want restart any server, then we will use service module. See here, sudo service module is available. We will use this service module to start the server, to stop the server, to restart the server. Sudo service, which module you want, which service you want to start? HTTPD start. See, guys, service start this HTTPD server. Enter. See, guys, HTTPD is started. HTTPD is started at here. Tell me, by default, on which port that HTTPD server is running, guys? HTTPD server is running on 80 port. By default, HTTPD server is running on port number 80. Right now, if you want access this HTTPD homepage from the browser, see, guys, I want to access that HTTPD from the browser, guys. Now what you need to do? Take this public IP of the instance, guys. Take the public IP of the instance, select this instance, guys. Select this virtual machine. Now here in the details section, here you can see the public IP. Copy this public IP. Copy this public IP. Open the tab. Here paste this public IP. And here port number. Just now I told, guys. HTTPD server is running on 80 port. Port number 80 I am giving. Enter. Enter guys. Here you should access the home page of the HTTPD. We installed HTTPD server. We should access the home page of the HTTPD server. No, we are not able to access that. We are not able to access that. This site cannot be reached. We are getting why guys? HTTPD server is running on port number 80. So if you want to access from the browser, if you want to send the request from the browser, the corresponding port number should be enabled in the security groups, guys. Right? So the corresponding port number should be enabled in the security groups. Where the security groups are available, go to this instance. Select the instance, guys. Here we have security option. Click on this security option. Okay, here we have security group ID. This is the security group ID, guys. Here you can see security groups. Here we have the security group ID. Click on the security group ID. Click on the security group ID, guys. Guys, we will discuss more about the security group in further sessions, guys. Okay, so now here we have any inbound rules, outbound rules, guys. We will discuss what is inbound rules, what is outbound rules with the diagram. I will explain. Don't worry. Now go to this edit inbound rules. Go to edit inbound rules. Here already two port numbers are enabled. That is 22 port. Right? We are using SSH, right? Right? To connect to the Linux virtual machine, we are using SSH. That SSH is by default running on the 22 port. You are not enable this 22 port at here, you can't able to connect to the Linux machine using SSH, guys. And here I have configured. This one is I have configured, guys. Right, Tomcat server is running on 8080 port. That's why here I have configured 8080, guys. Now here I am using the HTTPD server. The HTTPD server is running on which port, guys? It is running on 80 port. Then I want to enable the 80 port also. How I can enable? Click on add rule. Right here, give the port number 80. Give the port number 80, guys. Right, in the source info, what we need to do? Source means from where you will send the request. From where you will send the request, guys. Anywhere I can send the request. Anywhere I can send the request. In that case, here go to this custom. Here you need to choose anywhere. Anywhere you need to choose. Suppose here, if you give particular IP, right, instead of see anywhere, that's why you are getting IP addresses from any IP, from any computer you can send the request. That's why here you are getting 0.0.0.0. Instead of this, if you give any particular IP, from that IP only you can send the request. If you give like this, you can send the request from any IP, guys. Now, after giving these details, click on save rule. See, guys, port number 80 is enabled. Port number 80 is enabled successfully. Now go to here. Now go to here. Here I am going to give this case. Here I am going to give. And here this is the public IP colon port number 80 I am giving. Enter. Wow. See, guys, HTTPD homepage came or not? HTTPD homepage came or not, guys? Guys, respond. Respond, guys. Now, I don't want this default homepage. I don't want this default homepage. I want some custom page, one static page. I want one static custom page, guys. I don't want this default homepage. So, what we need to do? Right here, what is our topic, guys? What is our topic? Deploying static website in the Linux virtual machine. Static website is nothing but what? I will design one page. I will design one page and I will deploy that, guys. I will design one page and I will deploy that. It won't keep on change. It won't keep on change. That is fixed, guys. That is called static page. Right? How to deploy the static page, guys? Here, this is the home page of the HTTPD. This is the home page of the HTTPD, guys. Now, instead of this home page, I want to change it, guys. Then what we need to do? Go to here, guys. Go to here. Like this. So here what I am going to do. Observe carefully, guys. Now what I want to do. See, guys, observe carefully. Here what I am going to do. Here, echo, 1 minute, guys. I'm changing the content, guys. I'm changing the content. So to change the content, what I am going to do, observe carefully, guys. Here, go to this location, go to this, guys, and here go to CD. 1 minute, guys. Kavita, 5 నిమిషాలు ఇటు పట్టుకో. దీనిట్లో అసలు. Right, guys, go to this location first. And just now we installed the HTTPD server, right? So now go to this location, guys. And here go to CD var folder, CD var folder. And now inside the var ls-l. Here we have www, guys. CD www. Right, now inside the www we have HTML folder. HTML. Right, inside the HTML what we have, guys? ls-l. Nothing is there. 0 files are there, guys. Here we have 0 files. So now here I am going to create one file, guys. Sudo vi at index.html file I am creating. Right, this is the one page I am going to host, guys. Sudo index.html, guys. Here I am going to write like this, guys. See, go to insert mode. Go to insert mode. Just I am writing like this: HTML. Right, now here just I am going to write some HTML code. Right, or else you can take some Google also. Some sample HTML code you can take from Google, guys. Now here sample HTML code. Sample HTML code. You will get it from here. You can take, guys. From here you can take it here. If you want any designs and all, you can take. See, guys, here something I am taking. Here we have something. So this is the what I am taking. And now go to here. Go to here. Give this one, guys. Just I am going to paste that code at here. Just I am going to paste that code at here, guys. And here my web page. Hello world. Right. This is my first web page. Right. It contains a right something I am taking it here, guys. Now save this one. WQ, guys. Now I have written this. I have created this page, guys. Now I have created this page, guys. Now what I need to do? Guys. Now here again start the server, guys. Again start the server. And how you will start the server? Sudo service HTTPD start. Enter. Okay. So now go to here. Guys. And where is this? This is the page, right? Now refresh the page once. What you are getting, guys? Hello world. This is my first web page. It contains main heading and paragraph. Is it changed or not? Guys? From the browser, right, can we able to access this or not? You deployed one web application, one static web page in the server that we can access from the browser. Like this, guys. Is it clear? Is this clear, guys? We installed HTTPD server, and in the HTTPD server, one static page, one index.html static page we deployed, and that we can access from the browser like this. Okay. So now let me add the steps for this. What I have done. Fine. First, we need to take the update of the package manager. Package manager we are using update. Next, guys, I want to install the server, guys. Sudo at yum install at HTTPD. I'm taking. Now sudo service HTTPD start. I want to start the HTTPD service, guys. Okay. With this you will get home page, guys. Now here, what one more thing you need to do? You need to enable the port number, guys. Note, enable HTTP protocol, HTTP protocol with 80 port, in security groups, in security groups guys, in security group of our EC2 instance, guys. Okay, fine. After that guys, after enabling 80 port, in security group, after enabling 80 port in the security group, right, so we can access our website, using EC2 instance, public IP, guys. Okay, so after that, here what I am doing is, here I am going to change the content in the, I am going to modify the page guys. If you want, you can modify directly like this guys. Echo, you can write any message guys, right? You can write any message like this. H1 tag I am taking, right? Hello, welcome to DevOps, with AWS classes, so like this you can take guys, like this you can take it here. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Here I am going to close the H1 tag. I am closing it here. Right, this content I want to write in, let's see guys, here what symbol I am using, this symbol I am using means I want to write this one in, right, /var folder /www/html/index.html file. See guys, right, echo, right, in this location index.html file I want to write this message guys. Right, in the browser you can access same thing, or else you can go to directly that index.html file. You can go that index.html file directly, and there you can write guys, or see guys, directly you can go to there. Guys. How you will go to that location? See guys, here cd /var folder /www folder /html folder guys. Right, now here $sudo vi index.html, here you can create, and whatever you want you can write inside the index.html file guys, and again you need to restart the HTTP server guys. Is it clear guys? So like this we need to deploy the static website in the Linux virtual machine. Right, file path man, file path, nothing is required. Public IP, through public IP only we are accessing, right? File path means what? Here we have given through public IP we are accessing, through public IP and port number, right? So on that port only HTTP server is running, right? So we are giving port number, in which port that server is running, right? So we are giving that port number. Inside the server what application is running, that application you are accessing guys. Public IP and port number we are giving. Here path is nothing but what you need to give, simple. Here see guys, copy this one, you need to give this public IP here like this. Okay. See, in this mission, right, 80 port, right, one server is running. Inside that whatever the application is running, that application you are accessing. Okay. So that path and everything will give later guys. Suppose when you are going to deploy the proper application, right? So there by using which path you want to access, context path, we will give the name as context path guys, right? By using which name you want to access that application, there we will give all these things guys. Here just we are accessing the home pages. For home page, right, that path and everything is not required guys. Okay, is it clear guys up to here? Tomorrow I will deploy one application in the Tomcat guys. For that, right, by using which context path you want to access that, the path I will give there. Right guys, next guys, I want to install required packages in the Amazon Linux 2 machine guys. And how to install required packages in Amazon Linux 2 machine. How you will install guys? I want to install some required packages guys. And if anybody told install these packages in your Amazon Linux machine, what you need to do? See, I want to install the Git guys. First let me go to here and let me check here Git is available or not. Let me go to here and check it once Git is available or not. I want to install Git, I want to install Maven, I want to install Java. Like that, I want to install some packages guys. How you will install? Guys? Right guys. So now how to install guys? Right. So before going to install, let me check whether these things are available or not. I want to install Git hyphen version. Right, Git is not available. What it is saying? Boss, Git is not available in this machine. Then I want to install Git guys. Right, sudo yum install Git. Sudo yum install Git. Right guys, now here you can check whether which version of Git is installed in your system. You can check it here guys. Now go to here at Git hyphen version. See guys, Git 2.40.1 is installed successfully. I want to check Maven guys. Maven hyphen version. Maven is installed or not? Maven also not installed. So then simple here sudo yum install. Here in the place of Git I will give Maven. And wget is different. And here already this Git, Maven, Java, all these things are available in the package manager. That's what I told. Package manager is a repository and these things are available in that package manager. It will take from there. If you want to take any particular version from particular URL, you can copy that URL from the Google and you can use it, not a problem. So you can take that URL and you can use it. See here, I want install Java guys. How you will install the Java guys in the Amazon Linux machine? See here, sudo Java 11 I want to install. And if you want to install Java 11, and if you want to install Java 8 guys, directly you can use sudo yum, right, install at Java, right, Java 1.8 version 1.8.0 hyphen open JDK. And this is the Java version which I want to install in my Amazon Linux 2 machine. Enter. Is installing Java guys. Bye. Right, so now you can check which version of Java is installed. Java hyphen version. See guys, here Java, right, where is that? Already here we have Java 17 is there. Let me check guys. Let me check what Java versions are there. Here we have one command to check. Suppose if you have multiple versions of Java, you can switch from one version to another version guys. For that we need to use alternative hyphen config Java. minute. ALTRNA alternatives. See guys, see guys, just now we installed Java 1.8, right? So that Java 1.8 we have, and here Java 11 is there, and here multiple things are there, guys. Multiple things are there. That's why it is showing like this, guys. If you want to switch here, it is asking enter to keep the current selection. Enter to keep the current selection. Which one you want to keep? And give that number. I want to keep Java 11, and you can give one, guys. You can give one. Enter. So now here you can check which version of Java is running. Java version. See guys, why it is pointing like Java 17. Currently Java 17 it is pointing. This star is representing which version it is pointing currently. So Java 17 it is pointing. Now let me go to here. And here let me take one. Enter. Right, permission denied. Okay, fine, no problem. Right, sudo. Right, before that give the sudo, guys. And if it is asking permission, give the sudo before. Enter. So now here give one. Enter. Fine, guys. Now there is no permission issue. Now you can check Java version. See guys, it is switched, guys. Earlier it is pointed to Java 11. Now it is pointing to, earlier it is pointed to Java 17. Now it is pointing to Java 11, guys. If you get the permission denied error, simply give the sudo, guys. Give sudo before the command. You will get the temporary permissions. Guys. Okay. So now like this, whatever the packages you want to install, you can install by using install command, guys. By using install command, you can install required packages in the Amazon Linux 2, guys. Here we need to use yum package manager. And here install git. I want install git, guys. For that, $sudo and yum install git. Okay, I want install Maven, and you can check which version of git is installed. You can check it here. Here git -version. Guys. Now here I want install Maven. So now for this $sudo yum install Maven. Okay, so now you can check which version of Maven is installed, guys. You can check, guys. Right, mvn version, guys. Next, guys, you can install Java, and here install Java. Guys. Now here sudo yum install. And which version of Java you need to install, that you need to check, guys. Which version of Java you need to install, that you can check, and you can install that, guys. Here I want to install Java 1.8. So then here Java 1.8.0 open JK. Okay, so like this we can install the required packages, guys. Here you can check if Java is installed or not. You can check it here, guys. Here you can check Java version. Right, it will give which version of Java is installed, guys. So like this, in the Amazon Linux 2, if you want install any packages, we need to use yum package manager. By using yum package manager, we can install any packages, guys. If you want to download and install, guys, you can download by using wget, guys. Right, if you want to download from the internet, and if you want install, you can use wget. We will use only for download, not for installing. Wget is not for installing, just for it is downloading. If you want, you can. That depends on your requirement, guys. That depends on your requirements. How many softwares you need for your project, those many number of softwares you can install. Depends on your project. For your project, how many softwares are required, how many packages are required, everything you can install. There is no like this, there is no limit like this. These many number of packages only we can install. Suppose If you have limit like that, only 10 packages, right, for your project, 20 softwares are required, 30 softwares are required, what you will do? There is no such kind of limit. Based on your project requirement, you can install any number of packages. Your package is nothing but what? A software. Package is nothing but a software. Here we are installing Java. What is Java? It is a software. We are installing Git. What is Git? It is a software. Okay, guys, if you want, you can download from the Google, right, into the Linux machine, and you can install. And if you have, right, or else if you have in the package manager, from the package manager you can install directly instead of downloading. Without downloading, you can install directly from the package manager, guys. Or no, I want to download from the Google, that one only I want to install, means you can go to the Google and you can search what is the corresponding URL, guys. What is the corresponding URL where you will get search for that URL and download it, guys. Okay. Is that clear, guys, up to here? Up to here, clear? Right, guys. Next, still we need to discuss simple thing, guys. I want to discuss what is package, right? Which package manager we need to use, right? For which distribution, which package manager we need to use, right? What is M package manager? What is APT package manager? What is RPM package manager? What is DPKG package manager? What is DNF package manager? Like this, we have several package managers, guys. It's just 10 minutes, guys. I need 10 to 15 minutes, guys. In next session, first 15 minutes we will discuss that, and I will start shell scripting from the next session. Okay, and I need 15 minutes to discuss remaining small things. What is package manager? What package managers are available? I need to discuss. Right, tomorrow, first 15 minutes I will talk about that, and I will come to shell scripting, guys. Okay, is that clear? Fine. Fine, guys, I will share these notes. Please practice all these commands. Tomorrow we will continue remaining things. Thank you.